Hacker, you got the hiccups?
And you can't do much with the remote practice. It's push buttons.
Hmm? Of course, once you're on camera, you no longer hiccup. You don't want to be on camera.